on every night have 1 tablespoon of haldi turmeric and with a pinch of salt in it, and then just drink it with water. So have 1 glass of limbu pani during the day. So very important that you take good care of yourself, and this particular virus is not going to go away. So we have to learn to live with it. And so I hope all of you are not eating junk food. I hope you are not eating vada pav and what do you call that? Pani puri and dabeli and pizza and burger and Pepsi and all other nonsense things. So don't get into any of those things. Anyways, chalo, good. So we have moved from Saturday to Sunday, which is good. And any idea where we were last time? We started the series on what is the series on?
It started on 4th of July.
No, but the series is what is the series? What is the title?
Seven
This
habits
is
Seven
of
habits of highly
effective
effective families.
family.
Correct, correct. So what is the meaning of effective? Why does not the author say successful? Why the word effective? I did speak about this last time. While I did not speak it in the same with the same question, but I did give you the answer of this question.
4 Bs of building relationships.
That is better on the importance of relationship. But the word is, or the question is, why the word effective? Come on, Almas. Why effective? राजेश कुमार भावसार साहब, आपका प्रेजेंटेशन स्टार्ट हो गया. Okay, chalo, tell me before I put on the slides. Almas, why effective? Anyone?
Yeah,
I'm just
I'm thinking on that point.
okay, you're thinking on that point. Okay, okay. So check your notes. Check your notes that you may have written in the session that we did last Saturday. That was on the 4th of July.
If I may add, AB, so last time we discussed about like relationships are the most important thing to
That's
stay
right.
happy, and good relationships lead to good health and happy mood.
That's right. And then I spoke about one word. What was that one word which relates to the question that I'm asking you?
Quality of the relationship matters.
Okay, yes, it does definitely matters, but it does not lead us to the point of effectiveness. Okay, so let me help all of you. The word effectiveness. Okay, let me ask you in another way so that you can start thinking. Because I don't want to do spoon feeding. All of you are champions, and I want you to start, exercising your mind muscles. How will you differentiate effectiveness from efficiency? Give me an example to differentiate these two very important words. Nirali, if you're still there, tell me the difference between effectiveness and efficiency.
Yes.
Try. There is nothing right and wrong. There is absolutely nothing right and wrong. आप कौन सी चीज को और कब कहेंगे कि ये हमारा काम इफेक्टिव रहा और ये एफिशिएंट रहा? क्या ये दोनों इंटरचेंजेबली हम यूज कर सकते हैं?
If I may add, like
इसका आंसर नहीं है.
Maybe effectiveness means generating maximum quality, and the second thing, what was that? Efficiency.
Efficiency.
That is doing it in the optimal possible way, Uh, the most optimal.
At least you're thinking. So I'm happy that you're thinking. So that makes me happy. So if you're making notes, please write down. Increase in productivity can be said as efficient. Someone wrote something. Let me see what that statement is. Bhavinji said that if increase in productivity can be said as efficient, effectiveness is the impact of productivity. Okay. Give me an example, Bhavin sir. Give me a real life example.
Hello, sir.
Yes, Bhavin.
Suppose if I am conducting an health checkup camp, then uh, per hour, how many visitors I am checking, how many patients. So
Mhm.
if I work on my productivity, like the number of patients I check per hour, then it can be said as it can lead to improve my efficiency. But when I check the, measure the impact, like how if I am checking. Suppose last time I was checking 100 patients per hour and now I am checking 200. But what is the impact of that increasing my productivity? So is it going to help the patient? Is it going to cure the disease? Then it's called the effectiveness. So that's
Very
the
nice.
difference.
Very nice. Very nice. Good. Good. You're thinking. Very good, Bhavin. Very nice. I like what you said. I like the example. Very nice. Fantastic. Okay, so to help all of you understand this, if you're making notes, write it down, and we are going to learn about this over the next 5 or 6 Sundays because this is not going to finish in 1 or 2 Sundays. So when you talk about effectiveness, effectiveness is doing the right things. Efficiency is doing things right. And if you're making a note, please write this down. And if one of you can help me write it on the chat box, that will help everyone who is listening. Effectiveness is doing the right thing. Efficiency is doing things right. Yeah, so we will talk more about this. Okay, so when you talk about effectiveness, we are also talking about being proactive. Did I speak about proactive? Thank you, Almas, for your help. Appreciate your help. Did I talk about the word proactive last Saturday?
Yes.
Okay. So what is the meaning of proactive, Harsh? प्रो जब हम कहते हैं ये प्रोएक्टिव है तो प्रोएक्टिव का मतलब क्या हुआ?
Hello.
Doing the right thing at right
Correct.
time and right place
Fantastic.
without anyone saying to me.
Fantastic, Harsh. Super. 100 mark करने बढ़िया. Very nice. So happy. Right. So this is the benefit of writing notes. It's a very good. So Harsh, I can sense that you are writing notes. That is very very good. So that is if that is being proactive, right? So when we talk about effective families, I am not limiting it to a husband wife relation. I'm not limited to a parent child relationship. What I'm trying to do is enlarge the canvas and talk about any relationship because even Yuvala is a family to me, right? So we are all part of one large extended family. So all the concepts that we are learning applies to the extended family as much as it applies to the immediate family. And so uh, keep that in mind. Second, what else did we study last Saturday? Check your notes. Where did we end? What was the last thing that I said?
So proactive is the last topic.
Okay, so in that, what did we cover?
One
Hello.
definition, and you give us homework.
Correct. Fantastic. What was that homework?
Difference between true and truth.
Correct. Very nice. Very nice. So anyone has done the homework?
I can go.
Yeah.
Good. Very nice. Very nice. So please share.
So I think truth is universal. It's not someone else is sharing. I'll stop.
Okay. Give me an example.
So truth is universal, and whereas something is true or not is our opinion based on our knowledge. I think.
Correct. Good. Or the perception. The better
Yeah,
word
perception.
Amit, would be the perception.
Yeah.
Good. Very nice. I'll give you an
And
example and we'll build upon this. I think so. This was last monsoon or the year before last. There was a photograph of Ahmedabad airport that got published in almost all the newspapers that Ahmedabad airport is flooded. And there was a photograph of an aircraft whose wheels were also underwater. So there was no way flights would take off and all that. And it so happened that on that day, I landed in Ahmedabad. And when I reached home, I just happened to see this picture. I said, what happened? When does the flooded happen? He said, I was told that Ahmedabad airport is closed. I said, I just landed at Ahmedabad airport. It is not closed. Now, upon investigation, it was found out that particular airport photograph was of Chennai airport about 3 years back. So the airport was flooded, was the truth. But the true thing was that Ahmedabad airport was not flooded. So whenever something is shared with you, especially in the media, please remember everything that is being told in the media is not the truth. It may be true, but it is not the truth. There is a massive, massive difference. Similarly, in relationships, it is important that we do not build our assumptions based upon incorrect or incomplete information. Did I show a slide where there was some food on a plate? Did I show that? Last Saturday, did I show a particular uh, food item on a plate, and did I ask you what is it? Just to check, because I'm
No,
not sure.
I
No?
don't think. No, I don't
Okay.
think.
Okay, so let us understand this concept through a particular image. Let me pull that image for all of you, and I will give you about 5 seconds, not more, to tell me what did you see on that particular plate. What is the food item on that particular plate? Okay, give me about 30 seconds. And this question is first to everyone who is a student right now. Elders will have the second option or the second chance. Okay, so are you able to see an image on your screen? Say yes or no.
Yes.
Okay, tell me what is there on the plate. You have got 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. हर्ष बताओ क्या था प्लेट पे?
French fries and I think some ice cream or chicken type sweet.
Okay, okay. French fries, ice cream, chicken. Amit, what did you see?
I think omelette and French fries.
Okay, so not omelette, but you can say half fry
Okay.
and French fries. Okay. Almas, आपने क्या देखा?
Sir, same half fry and French fries.
Okay. Anyone else? Anyone else? बताइए आपने क्या देखा? आपको एक और बार दिखाता हूँ, बताओ ये क्या है? क्विक, इतना टाइम मिलता नहीं है.
There might be some spices as well, not visible.
Okay. नहीं, let us
French
talk about
fries.
what is visible. निराली बताओ बेटा, आप बताओ.
French fries and omelette.
French fries and omelette. Okay. पटेल साहब, आप बताओ.
It's a sweet, only some sweet.
It is some sweet. Okay.
Bakery sweet.
Bakery sweet. Okay. Now, when I talk about the truth and the true point, and this is in relation to relationships. Okay, before I do that, what is this person doing? Nirali, you tell me, what is this person doing? उसका मूड कैसा होगा? उसका मूड कैसा होगा?
गुस्से में है ये।
गुस्से में है, क्या कर रहा होगा वो? किसी को मारने जा रहे हैं?
नहीं, वो लेट हो गया है और इसकी वजह से फास्ट चला रहा है।
एबी का सेशन स्टार्ट हो जाएगा, चलो भागो. Okay. Okay. Anyone else?
We cannot say ना, I mean he's driving because वो नीचे वाला part तो पता ही नहीं है.
Correct.
ऊपर वाला
Very
दिख रहा
good.
है तो
ये घास काट रहा है.
हाँ.
ये क्या कर रहे हैं? घास काट रहा है. Right. चलो अब आप बताओ. Let me tell Harsh. Harsh, tell me, what did you read on the slide? Fast. 3, 2, 1. Read. What did you read on the slide?
A walk in the park.
Okay. Anyone else? What did you read?
A walk in the park.
Fantastic. Very good. How many of you saw the two the's?
I saw because you have been teaching me a lot.
Correct. Correct. Very nice. But for most, we do not see the whole picture. We only make assumptions basis half-baked information. The true part is this guy is riding a vehicle. The truth is he is cutting grass. What you see as French fries is not French fries, is pieces of apple. It is cut pieces of apple. What you are referring to as half fry or omelette, that white part that you're seeing is yogurt, and the yellow piece that you're seeing is motichur ka laddu. Now, do you understand the difference between true and truth? And in relationships, it is so difficult to have the patience and to have the maturity to understand the whole picture before we make judgments. We listen adha, and based upon adha what we have listened, we make pura judgments. And that is, I think so, a big hurdle in relationships. And we are going to talk about listening as a skill. There are 5 stages of listening. Can anyone tell me the 5 stages of listening? Albas should be able to tell me because you are a management student, you are an HR student.
Yeah, I'm trying to recollect.
Okay, I'll give you 30 seconds to recollect.
Yeah.
Anyone else while Albas is thinking? Any one of you who is studying management, or has studied management or is a manager or is a parent should know this. And we are going to talk about this in Hanji.
Maybe one of the steps can be
Yes,
detaching yourself from your point of view before you actually start to listen to somebody else.
Okay, so that's a good one. But how easy or difficult is it to detach yourself and only listen to that person who is talking? So that's a good one. That could be the, what should I say, the backbone on which we listen. So the 5, and we will talk about this subsequently, not today, but in the next few sessions, the 5 levels of listening. If you're making some notes, please write it down. The first is ignoring. And when we are ignoring, we are listening from within our frame of reference. मुझे क्या सुनना है? Second is you are pretending to listen. You're not listening, you're only pretending to be listening. The third is selective listening. The fourth is attentive listening. And the fifth is where we all need to be, is called empathetic listening. In the empathetic listening, you are listening from the other person's frame of reference, not your frame of reference. So I am putting myself in the other person's shoes and trying to understand the truth behind the true. Listen to the music behind the words, the intention. So you listen to the intent, you listen to the content, and then you listen. So that's a very, 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 very important element. That's how you build a relationship.
What was the fourth one? What was the fourth one after selective?
What was the first one?
First was ignoring. Second was pretending. Third was selective, and fourth I didn't get.
Attentive.
Okay. All right.
So when we
And
talk
fifth was
about
empathetic.
yeah, so when we talk about being proactive, this statement on your screen is the bedrock on which we are going to build the 7 habits of highly effective families, or put it into a larger canvas of relationships. And I would request one of you to give me a real life example of this particular statement which is on your screen. Give me a real life example, anyone?
Doing the right thing. I mean, even if you're tempted to do the wrong one, that if our values do not allow that, we will not do that. So it's based on acts. It's based on principles and values. The actions.
Example.
Decision of MS Dhoni.
Maybe
Decision of MS Dhoni. Which decision?
अंडर प्रेशर सिचुएशन एंड जब लास्ट टाइम होता है तब कोई प्लेयर गलती करता है तो उसे कैसे हैंडल करना है, टीम के लिए क्या सही है, गुस्सा करना है या नहीं करना.
I have one. If we take your example, for example, you stand by the principle of sticking to your commitments. And if last night you had a really, really long night and a lot of meetings, and you don't have the energy to come and speak, but you will still come because you have committed to us. So that is maybe distancing from circumstances.
Okay.
Hello, Abhi.
Yes. Listening, my friend.
I want to share that when I had an opportunity for placement, so choosing a company, because the product of which the company I didn't like, the product which I didn't like to consume, like for Coca-Cola or ITC, I decided that I will not apply for that company. and I actually
Okay.
left those.
So you acted basis your principles. Okay. So one of the things that I would want to give as homework to all of you, and first of all, let me thank all of you who contributed to this discussion. My homework for all of you till next Sunday is, please spend the next 7 days thinking and writing down your top 5 principles in life and values in life. Second homework, or rather that should be the first homework, is principles and values में फर्क क्या होता है? क्या दोनों one and the same है? The answer is no. So मैं आपको 2 homework दे रहा हूँ. Google मत करना. Again, I'm telling you, please do not Google. I want you to go and ask your parents. I want you to go and discuss with your grandparents, discuss with elders in the family, but please do not Google. Yeah? So आप मुझे next Sunday ये बताएंगे कि principles and values में फर्क क्या होता है, और आपके 5 principles and values आप लिखेंगे. वो मैं पूछूंगा नहीं कि आपने अपनी principles क्या बनाए है, अपने values क्या बनाए. मैं आपसे इतना ही पूछूंगा कि इन दोनों में डिफरेंस बताइए. दूसरा एग्जाम्पल, अगर मान लीजिए मैं गाड़ी चला रहा हूं और सामने से आके किसी ने मेरी गाड़ी ठोक दी, या पीछे से आके मेरी गाड़ी ठोक दी, तो मैं उतर के मैंने उसको अच्छा सा मेथी पाक खिला दिया. मतलब उसका चेहरा लाल पीला भूरा काला सब कर दिया. तो मैंने क्या किया? Did I act on principles and values or emotions and circumstances?
Emotions and circumstances.
Very good. Fantastic, Harsh. Very nice. I'll give you an example. This happened about 2 years back. This happened on a Sunday. We were coming back from church, and if you know the area of Satellite, there is a D-Mart, and D-Mart से होते हुए आप मेरे घर तक पहुंच सकते. I was on that road, and वो narrow सा lane है. Lane तो नहीं कह सकते, road है. It is एक डिवाइडर है, ठीक ठाक रोड है, बट उसमें 2 गाड़ी बाजू बाजू में से चल के नहीं जा सकती. तो आई वॉज ड्राइविंग एंड पीछे एक गाड़ी आ रहा था, वो हॉर्न मारे जा रहा था, मारे जा रहा था, मारे जा रहा था, मारे जा रहा था. मैं उसको बोल रहा भाई रुक जाए यार, थोड़ी जगह तो होने दे, फिर तुझे जाने दूंगा. बट वो पता नहीं क्या किया उसने, जो भी थोड़ी बहुत जगह थी लेफ्ट से उसने ओवरटेक किया, और जैसे उस मेरी गाड़ी के आगे आया, उसने अपनी कार का विंडो नीचे किया, ग्लास नीचे किया, और with his finger he made a very very obscene gesture. और मेरा दिमाग गया, because I had my wife sitting next to me, I had my daughter also with me. I said this is not done. तो मैंने बोला अब तू देख भाई. तो मैंने उसको ओवरटेक किया, और जैसे मैंने उसको ओवरटेक किया, उसने आके मुझे पीछे से ठोक डाला. मेरी गाड़ी, he banged me from behind badly. So मैं उतरा, मैंने बोला चल गाड़ी साइड पे कर, एंड गाड़ी साइड पे करी. His mother was sitting next to him, और मैंने उसको एक क्वेश्चन पूछा. द क्वेश्चन जो मैंने उससे पूछा, मैं बोला ये बता भाई, अब गाड़ी में तो डेंट हो गया, तो गाड़ी में डेंट हुआ तो गाड़ी रिपेयर करने के लिए कहाँ जाते हैं? And this was happening at about 12:30 in the afternoon on a hot Ahmedabad afternoon. Ahmedabad afternoon, those who have experienced Ahmedabad afternoon, it can be really hot and steamy. वो उसको समझ में नहीं आया. उसको मैंने वापस पूछा कि भाई ये बता, जब गाड़ी ठुक गई है तो गाड़ी रिपेयर करने के लिए गाड़ी ठीक कहाँ होती है? एंड देन आफ्टर सम टाइम ही सेड गैराज में होती है. मैं बोला मैं मेरी गाड़ी तो गैराज में ले जाऊंगा, और गाड़ी तो ठीक हो जाएगी, मेरे पास इंश्योरेंस है, तो मुझे उसका टेंशन नहीं है. एंड देन आई आस्क्ड हिम अ सेकंड क्वेश्चन. मैंने उसको बोला जब कैरेक्टर के ऊपर डेंट हो जाता है, जब कैरेक्टर के ऊपर दाग हो जाता है, जब कैरेक्टर खराब हो जाता है, तो वो रिपेयर कहाँ होता है? And by that time, his mother had stepped out and she was also next to him. She was fearing that I will hit him. But मैंने उसको एक क्वेश्चन पूछा कि ये बता, कैरेक्टर पे डेंट हुआ तो कैरेक्टर रिपेयर कहाँ होता है? And to cut the long story short, I had that discussion with him for about 1.5 hours on the road. And after about 6 or 8 months, his mother called me and said, and मेरे फोन पे मैंने उसका नंबर भी सेव करके रखा हुआ है, and his mother called and told me कि sir, I want to say thank you to you. पहले तो मैंने वो नंबर पहचाना नहीं था. मैंने बोला बताइए मैडम क्या हुआ. Then she explained this whole incident and she said कि after that incident my son has changed 180 degrees. Because the statement that I gave him, I said तुम्हारी माँ तुम्हारे बाजू में बैठी है, और जब माँ तुम्हारे बाजू में बैठी है और तुम्हारे दिमाग में इतने गंदे विचार आते हैं, तो तुम जब अकेले होते हो तो क्या सोचते होंगे? मैं बोला कैरेक्टर के ऊपर जब डेंट होता है ना, तो माँ के चरणों में जाना चाहिए. So what did I do? I did not hit him, because hitting him will not undo the accident. I did not take any money from him because I, as it had insurance, so it is not about money. But I asked him a question that maybe transformed his life. He was a young boy, maybe 19-20 years का होगा. That is acting based upon principles and values. 99% लोग क्या करते? अपने मुंह में से सोनेरी वाक्य बोलते, जिसको हम गुजरात में सुरती बोलते हैं. So let us learn, let us make a pledge today that we will always, 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 no matter what, act upon our principles and values. We will not react. That is the first principle. Very difficult to do, very difficult to do. पूरी बात तो सुन लो भाई. ऑमलेट नहीं है वो दही है, योगर्ट है, फ्रेंच फ्राइज नहीं है, वो एप्पल के टुकड़े हैं. राइट? सो अगेन, कहना बहुत आसान है, करना बहुत ज्यादा मुश्किल है. बट अगर आप young boys and girls, ladies and gentlemen on the call, if we are able to learn this, we will live a good life. 2 पैसे कम हुए तो क्या फर्क पड़ता है यार? पैसे का क्या करने वाले हो? लॉकडाउन के पीरियड में किसने कितना पैसा खर्च कर लिया? बट अगर लाइफ में वैल्यूज ही नहीं है, अगर लाइफ में कोई प्रिंसिपल्स ही नहीं है, अगर लाइफ में कैरेक्टर आप बेच चुके हो, तो फिर एटलीस्ट मेरी और आपकी कभी बनने नहीं वाली है.
Maybe should I give an example?
Absolutely, Elaben. Absolutely.
Yeah. Sardar Patel was in a courtroom.
Yes.
And he received a telegram mentioning that his wife has passed away.
Mm-hmm.
And he was, the case was going on. So instead of leaving the courtroom, he continued the prosecution. And he then, as soon as his matter got over, he left the courtroom.
Correct.
So
Very
this
good.
is something like, yeah.
Inspiring. Absolutely.
Yeah.
हम लोग क्या करते
Thank
हैं?
you.
Thank you, madam. Thank you so much. Your examples, I just love your examples. I have in my life experienced it so many times that people, especially employees, वो fake sick leave का certificate देते हैं. They go to a doctor and 500 रुपए में आज आपको एक फर्जी मेडिकल सर्टिफिकेट मिल जाता है. तो आपने क्या किया? कैरेक्टर के ऊपर कॉम्प्रोमाइज किया. अभी तो पॉसिबल नहीं है, बट 2 साल पहले मेडिकल रीइंबर्समेंट लेने के लिए लोग फर्जी मेडिकल बिल पेश करते थे. So many more examples, and we were going to build upon it. So first lesson to all of you, no matter what your age, no matter at what stage of life you are in, let us understand this. Let us make this one of our principles. Second question to all of you is, can you tell me what is love? Can you define love? प्यार या प्रेम का मतलब क्या होता है?
એ બી એક વાત કહેવા માંગુ છું આના ઉપર.
જી.
ગુજરાતીમાં કહીશ, એટલે મેં સાંભળેલું છે, હું મને ગમ્યું એટલે કહેવાની ઈચ્છા
જી. હા હા હાજી હાજી.
તો એમને એવું કીધું હતું કે જ્યારે કોઈ મહિલા કે લેડીઝ એ પ્રેગ્નન્ટ હોય અને જ્યારે એમનું બાળક થવાનું હોય, એટલે બાળકને જોયા વગર એનો કલર કેવો છે, એનામાં ખોળખાપણ છે કે નહીં, એ છોકરો છે કે છોકરી છે, અથવા તો કેવું એનું વિચાર કેવા હશે, એના એ બધું વિચાર્યા સિવાય જે એના મધર અને ફાધર એના માટે જે તૈયારી કરે છે, કે જે એના માટે જે કપડાં બનાવે છે કે જે છે રમકડાની તૈયારી કરે છે, એ એક સાચા પ્રેમની નિશાની છે.
ફેન્ટાસ્ટિક, ગ્રેટ એક્ઝામ્પલ. હર્ષ, થેન્ક યુ.
એક ટ્રુ લવનું એ એક્ઝામ્પલ થઈ શકે.
બટ પ્રેમ એટલે શું? આ તો પ્રેમનું ઉદાહરણ થયું, બટ પ્રેમ, વોટ ઇઝ લવ?
There is one answer I want to try.
Ji.
Understanding the other person and accepting his or her unconditionally.
Fantastic, very good, superb answer, right? So accepting, understanding, unconditional, 3 impact words. Very nice, fantastic, very good. Anyone else? Okay, so if you are making notes, please write this down. And I want one of you to explain this statement. The statement on your screen. Love, the feeling, is the fruit of love, the verb. इसको आप में से कोई समझाएगा प्लीज?
Ila madam is there in the group. She is the best person to explain.
Yes, Abby, we discussed it in the previous Saturday, previous weekend.
Okay.
That
so
love is a verb.
On the call. Correct.
Yeah.
So
yeah, it's a verb. But I replied in different way. I said that it's something like non-duality. You become one with it. Can be nature. It can be any element. It can be my thing also. So I become one with it. Right. So it is almost something like obsession. You know, obsession is a negative word, but you become like that. You become that.
Correct.
Yeah. Fine. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Elaben. So basically what we are trying to say is, first and foremost, love is a verb, then it is a feeling. For example, if your mother is very, very busy in the kitchen, work has piled up, do you go and offer help to your mother? Say, Mama, okay, I will do the utensils, you do the rest of the things. That is love, the verb. अगर घर में आपने कुछ कचरा देखा तो आप झाड़ू लेके आपने कचरा साफ कर दिया, वहां पर पोछा मार दिया, दैट इज लव, द वर्ब. आपकी मम्मी कार में बैठती हैं, क्या आप मम्मी के लिए दरवाजा खोलते हो? आजकल तो मैं देखता हूं दरवाजा खोलने की क्या बात है, आप तो मोबाइल में से नजर भी ऊपर नहीं करते हो. बट मेरी आपसे एक एडवाइस है, एडवाइस तो मैं जनरली देता नहीं हूं, बट ये एडवाइस दे रहा हूं मैं आपको. अगर आप अपने फैमिली के तौर पे कहीं बाहर जा रहे हैं, so make sure that you allow your mother to sit first, open the door for her. That is love in action. When your mother is talking to you, do not look into your mobile phone. Look into her eyes. That is love in action. When your mother is talking to you, you do not speak back to her. That is love in action. But unfortunately, you think that you have technology in your hand. But remember, no velvet is as soft as a mother's lap. And life does not come with a manual, life comes with a mother. Remember this, write it down, make this as a part of your life. Second point, forgiveness is also a verb. Learn to forgive. Do not keep someone's wrongs in your heart. No one is perfect. You are also not perfect. I am not perfect. There's only one person who is perfect, and that is God. So do not hold on to the things that someone did and you say that, you know what, 6 महीने पहले तुमने ये किया था, 1 साल पहले तुमने ये किया था, 2 साल पहले तुमने ये किया था. And the third thing is, forgetting is also a verb. And if you want to have strong, meaningful relationships, I believe those strong, meaningful relationships will be built on the pillars of love, the verb, forgiveness, the verb, and forgetting, the verb. Only then will the video that we saw last time will actually make sense to us. So my advice, recommendation to everyone on the call is, let us cultivate and build these muscles. And for the next 30 days, let me throw up a challenge to you. And this includes me, you, everyone on the call. I'm not sure how many of us are on the call because I don't have the chat screen in front of me. I just have my presentation in front of me. For the next 30 days, we are going to test the practicality of all that I'm saying. You may say, Anand, ये सब सुनने में अच्छा लगता है, but करने में it is very difficult. So let us test this for 30 days. What are we going to do for the next 30 days? We are going to do about 2 or 3 things. Number 1, no matter what is that relationship, you will do 2 things on your screen. Can anyone help me understand and help the others on the call understand ये 2 statement का मतलब क्या होता है? Be a light, not a judge. Be a model, not a critic.
So the second one, I can think like I think what you mean is like you should lead by example first.
Fantastic, Amit. You are right. Absolutely right. You have to be an example rather than give an example.
Okay, so for the first one, if someone makes a mistake, we should not criticize that person or say that you are wrong or something like that. We should try to tell him what is right.
Be the
in a
light
very
to that person.
in a very appropriate way.
Absolutely. Give me an example.
Okay, for example, if a kid is एक बच्चा कुछ चोरी कर रहा है, ठीक है, फॉर एग्जांपल एक चॉकलेट दुकान में से, सो इंस्टेड ऑफ उसको ऐसे तो वी कैन क्या वो वी कैन टीच हिम दैट इट्स नॉट द राइट थिंग by in his own language. I mean, in a language that kid can understand.
Okay. But that's a good example. Now let us have an example for all of us. How many times we judge people? Many times. We should never be judging people because judging is God's work. It is not my job. It is God's job. Because when you are judging, you are saying that you are better than that person. So never judge. Be a light. Show that person what is the right thing to do. फीडबैक आप उसको देते हो, फीड फॉरवर्ड क्या आप उसको देते हो? So if you're making some notes, please write down these two words. One is feedback and the other is feed forward. What is feed forward? Let us say आपने मुझे फीडबैक दिया कि आनंद आपको इन 2-3 चीजों पे इंप्रूव करना है. वेरी गुड, आई विल से थैंक यू. बट मोस्ट टाइम आई हैव एक्सपीरियंस कि लोग फीडबैक देके चले जाते हैं. नाउ आई एम स्क्रैचिंग माई हेड wondering, now how do I improve? I want to improve. There is no one in this world who does not want to improve. But there are not many people who are kind of a light at the end of the tunnel to show me that this is how you will improve. So feed forward is like showing the path to that person, being a light on that person's path which is currently all dark. उसको रास्ता तो दिखाइए साहब, कैसे करते हैं? So do not judge but guide. You should critique someone but never criticize anyone. Critiquing is being tough on the person's behavior, the person's performance. Criticizing is being tough on the person. You never attack the person. You never humiliate a person. You will always be tough on the performance. These two things. So we are going to do these two things. We will not judge and we will not criticize anyone. We will be a role model. Number 3. Look at this statement and please explain this statement.
Hello. May I just add one thing?
Yeah, please.
The last, actually, I read in one book on forgiveness. મેં એવું એમાં વાંચેલું કે being actually God even is not judgmental. God never judges, so we should not judge others as God even judge us. God don't judge us. So as we become more non-judgmental, we become more like God. That was
correct, but
the thing.
Yeah, so the scripture says do not judge, because as you judge you will also be judged. So if someone told you that God does not judge, so that is incorrect. There is a day of judgment that is going to come for everyone under the sound of my voice. Listen to me again. There is a day of judgment that is going to come. I and you will stand in front of God and he's going to ask me everything that I do. हिसाब आपको पर से उसका हिसाब देना पड़ेगा सर. So don't think that it's an easy way out. So God is good, God is kind, God is merciful, but he's also a furious God. We'll talk about scripture some other day, but yes, if the scripture says, it's a prayer that says, help me forgive others as you have forgiven me. I'll repeat what I said. It's a prayer in the scriptures and you can go and check this, that as you have forgiven me, help me forgive everyone who trespasses against me. So it's when you are forgiving, you are wearing the nature of God. You are not becoming like God. No one can become like God, but you are taking on the nature of God. The nature of God is compassionate, loving, merciful, kindness, goodness. That is what the nature of God is. But yeah, it is very difficult to do all of these things. That is why the challenges of the world, and because people are having huge challenges in relationship, huge challenges in relationship. Let me give you some numbers. In this year of 2020, if I take the first 6 months, I'm not taking the first or the 14 days or the 13 days of July. I'm just taking the first 6 months of 2020. So from the 1st of January 2020 till the 30th of June 2020, there have been more than 550,000 suicides. That means there is one suicide happening every 30 seconds. There are more than 3,000 suicides that are happening every day. Why is this happening? Because people are judging everyone. अगर मेरे स्कूल में मार्क्स अच्छे नहीं आए तो I am a useless person. Tell me, how does the marks that I get to have to do anything with my character? अगर नौकरी नहीं मिली तो इंसान सुसाइड कर रहा है. अगर फेसबुक पर किसी ने लाइक नहीं किया तो इंसान सुसाइड कर रहा है. अगर किसी ने आपको डांट दिया तो इंसान सुसाइड करता है. So we need to get out of that environment of judging. There is a concept called multiple intelligence. And these are statistics जो आप जाके इंटरनेट पे चेक कर सकते हैं. There is a website called Worldometer. Just go to Google and write down Worldometer and you will get all statistics. So let us build encouragement. Let us build a culture of encouragement. Let us build a culture where we accept people the way they are. आप में से स्पेशली ऑल यंगस्टर्स, माय चैलेंज टू यू इज, आप सेल्फी लेते हो, फेसबुक पर उसको पोस्ट करते हो, बट पोस्ट करने के पहले उसको आर्टिफिशियली ब्यूटीफाई क्यों करते हो? आपके फोन में एक ऐप होगा जिससे आप अपने आप को गोरा बनाते हो एंड पता नहीं क्या क्या करते हो, एंड देन आप फेसबुक पे पोस्ट करते हो ना. जैसे हो वैसे क्यों नहीं करते हो? Why are we trying to become what we are not? God does not look at the outside, he's looking at the inside. And I need to be beautiful from the inside. And I shared this example with you. Sorry for that repetition, but there are some new people on the call, it might help them. कि जब आप बर्तन धोते हैं ना, तो क्या रियलाइजेशन है कि अंदर से साफ करने में मेहनत बहुत लगती है. एंड आप में से अगर किसी ने बर्तन नहीं धोए तो आज जाके बर्तन धोइए एंड यू विल रियलाइज व्हाट आई जस्ट शेयर्ड विद यू. अंदर से साफ करने में बहुत जद्दोजहद लगती है, बहुत मेहनत लगती है, घिसना पड़ता है. तब जाके ये दो चीज होगी. आई विल बी अ लाइट एंड आई विल बी अ रोल मॉडल ऑफ द बिहेवियर दैट आई एम एक्सपेक्टिंग समवन एल्स टू शो. एंड बहुत गहरी चीज आपके साथ शेयर करने की आज सुबह कोशिश कर रहा हूं. Right, so please be aware that God is merciful, but He will judge. There is a day of judgment coming, and better be ready for it. Okay, coming back to this point, can you help me understand and help others on the call understand this statement? Anytime I think that the problem is out there, that is the problem.
जो ये हमारी जो सोच है कि बाहर कुछ प्रॉब्लम है, वही प्रॉब्लम है. ये
करेक्ट,
वो सोच में ही प्रॉब्लम है.
करेक्ट. तो प्रॉब्लम कहाँ पर है हर्ष?
जो हम ऐसा सोचते हैं कि बाहर कहीं प्रॉब्लम है किसी और के.
तो प्रॉब्लम कहाँ पर? प्रॉब्लम अंदर है, प्रॉब्लम बाहर नहीं है.
हाँ, अंदर है. हमारी सोच में प्रॉब्लम है.
सोच में नहीं, प्रॉब्लम अंदर है, अपने अंदर है.
ओके ओके ओके.
राइट. सो सबसे आसान क्या है कि भैया हर्ष के प्रॉब्लम है, मेरा प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. हर्ष ने ऐसा किया इसलिए ये प्रॉब्लम हो गया, अमित ने ऐसे किया इसलिए ये प्रॉब्लम हो गया, पटेल साहब ने ऐसे किया इसलिए ये प्रॉब्लम हो गया. प्रकृति ने ऐसा किया इसलिए ये प्रॉब्लम हो गया, निराली ने ये किया इसलिए ये प्रॉब्लम हो गया, नो। इंटरनेट नहीं चले इसलिए प्रॉब्लम हो गया, नो। प्रॉब्लम बाहर नहीं है, प्रॉब्लम अंदर है, मुझे सुधरना है। इट स्टार्ट्स विद आई. Like that is saying that the biggest room on this earth is the room of improvement, and the room of improvement starts with I. And the word improvement also starts with I. मुझे सुधरना है. So let us understand the problem from having a locus of control which is internal, not external. So for the next 30 days ये तीसरी चीज हमें करनी है. पहली दो चीज ये थी, we will be a light not a judge, we will be a model not a critic, and whenever हमको ऐसा लगता है कि प्रॉब्लम वहां पर है, we have to stop ourselves and say प्रॉब्लम वहां पर नहीं है, प्रॉब्लम मेरे अंदर में. एंड इसको हमें 30 डेज तक करना है. दैट विल गिव अस द सैटिस्फैक्शन, द कन्विक्शन दैट यस, हम जो सीख रहे हैं वो बड़ा प्रैक्टिकल एंड प्रैग्मेटिक है. एंड ये जब आप करोगे तो देयर विल बी 3 or 4 challenges. Let us understand those challenges, because we will always be trying to do the right things, taking initiatives. किसी को जज नहीं करना is the right thing. किसी को हेल्प करना, to be a light to someone, because the scripture says you are the light and the salt of this world. And हम जो सीखने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं, let me give you an example. जैसे अगर आपकी मम्मी ने आज सुबह भिंडी बनाई है, या आपने भिंडी बनाई है, कोई भी सब्जी बनाई है, भिंडी मेरे दिमाग में पहले आता है बिकॉज दैट्स माय फेवरेट सब्जी. तो अगर 1 किलो भिंडी बनी है तो उसमें नमक कितना डलता है? एनीवन? अगर 1 किलो भिंडी बनी है या 500 ग्राम भिंडी बनी है, उसमें नमक कितना डलता है?
टेस्ट के हिसाब से ना, जितना ठीक लगे उतना.
स्वाद अनुसार.
तो कितना होगा? 500 ग्राम होगा?
नहीं, उतना नहीं होगा.
500 ग्राम भिंडी में 500 ग्राम नमक डलता है?
नहीं नहीं नहीं.
तो कितना डलता है? वो परसेंटेज कितना होगा? फ्रैक्शन में होगा कि डबल डिजिट्स में होगा?
फ्रैक्शन में होगा.
राइट. तो याद रखें, हम जो सीखने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं, ये सुनने वाले, ये करने वाले आर लाइक द सॉल्ट ऑफ दिस वर्ल्ड. बहुत चंद लोग होते हैं, बहुत कम लोग होते हैं, बट वो कुछ चंद लोगों के लिए दुनिया चल रही है. एंड ये स्क्रिप्चर्स कहते हैं वी आर द लाइट ऑफ द वर्ल्ड एंड द सॉल्ट ऑफ द वर्ल्ड. वी मे बी इन माइनॉरिटी टुडे. जैसे संडे मॉर्निंग को ये सब ज्ञान की बातें सुनने के लिए कितने लोग आते हैं? It is fine. I have absolutely no problem, because we will be in minority. And कुछ चंद लोगों ने ही दुनिया बदली है, याद रखिएगा साहब. And when you try to do this, people will say पागल हो गया, संत हो गया क्या तू? But remember my word, whenever you are faced with some challenges, do not give in and do not give up. बिकॉज आप सोचोगे मैं एक अकेला इंसान कितने लोग को चेंज कर पाऊंगा? खुद तो चेंज हो जा भाई, बिकॉज आप किसी को चेंज नहीं कर सकते. रिमेंबर, आई एम द सॉल्ट एंड आई एम द लाइट ऑफ द वर्ल्ड. 1 किलो भिंडी में 1 किलो नमक नहीं डलता है, नमक डलता है चुटकी भर. एंड हम जो सीखने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं, दे आर अ हैंडफुल ऑफ सच पीपल इन द वर्ल्ड, जो कैरेक्टर की बातें करते हैं, जो वैल्यूज की बातें करते हैं, जो प्रिंसिपल्स की बातें करते हैं, जो इथिक्स की बातें करते हैं, जो किसी को लाइट दिखाने की कोशिश करते हैं, जो मिल के आगे बढ़ने की कोशिश करते हैं. नौकरी पे जाइए, आप काम करेंगे, उसका क्रेडिट और कोई ले लेता है. तो मैं तो आपको हफ्ते में एक बार कुछ मिनट के लिए आपके साथ बात करता हूं, बट पूरे हफ्ते में हमें हमारी लड़ाई खुद लड़नी है. डिसअपॉइंटमेंट्स आएंगे, ये जब सही चीज करने की कोशिश करोगे. बट डू नॉट गिव अप नॉर गिव इन. रिमेंबर, वी हैव द पावर टू चूज आवर ओन रिस्पॉन्स. You had the power to choose how you responded to the invitation to this session that पटेल साहब ने आप सबको भेजा था. उन्होंने वो मैसेज भेजा तो बहुत सारे लोग को होगा ना, बट आते कितने लोग हैं? कुछ चंद लोग आते. क्यों? Because for them it is money. Show me the money. But remember, वो सब इधर ही छोड़ के जाओगे. It is character that is going to outlive you. It is values that is going to outlive you. It is your principles that is going to give you a feeling that yes, I have lived a life of significance and fulfillment. And ये करेंगे तो मेरे पास और आपके पास एक opportunity है to become a transition figure. And let me explain this point to you. हम सब के पास कुछ negative tendencies हैं. Everyone on the call and everyone in this world who has 206 bones in the body and who is a breathing human being, we have negative tendencies. And वो negative tendencies कहीं ना कहीं हमने family से सीखी है. जैसे react करना, झूठ बोलना. Because बच्चा जब माँ की पेट से पैदा होता है तो उसको तो नहीं पता ना कि झूठ क्या है, सच क्या है. वो तो बड़े innocent का सा बच्चा है. गुस्सा करना किसने सिखाया बच्चे को? माँ बाप ने सिखाया और किसी ने नहीं सिखाया. डर किसने डाला बच्चे में? माँ बाप ने डाला. छोटा बच्चा तो डरता नहीं है. एंड नेगेटिव चीज है, रिसर्च कहता है कि बच्चा जब 6 साल का होता है तब तक उसने अबाउट 1,50,000 ना सुना है. आओ नहीं करवाना, ना कर, ना 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 ना, उसने तकरीबन 1,50,000 बार सुना है. स्कूल में हम गए, हम क्या कहा? फिंगर ऑन योर लिप्स, बोलने का नहीं. नर्सरी में गए, फर्स्ट स्टैंडर्ड में गए, बोला फिंगर ऑन योर लिप्स, जो बोला है वो करो, सवाल नहीं पूछने का. तो हमने सवाल पूछना बंद कर दिया. क्रिएटिविटी कहां से आएगी साहब? मुझे ये बता दो, a plus b होल स्क्वायर is a square plus b square plus 2abc. Right or wrong? Amit is a scientist here, so he will know.
Yeah, right.
इसके लाइफ का फॉर्मूला, ये लाइफ में काम में क्या आता है ये? Show me one application of this. And अगर मैंने बोल दिया a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus b square plus 3abc, मैंने अगर 3 बोल दिया तो लोग मेरे पे खिल्ली उड़ाएंगे मेरी कि इसको इतना भी नहीं आता है. ये नेगेटिव टेंडेंसीज हमें बाहर से आ रही है, हमारे एनवायरनमेंट से आ रही है. एंड वी हैव द अपॉर्चुनिटी टू बिकम अ ट्रांजिशन फिगर बाय स्टॉपिंग द ट्रांसमिशंस ऑफ दीज नेगेटिव टेंडेंसी. एंड आई विल एंश्योर इट डज नॉट go on to my children. Natasha will not have the negative tendencies that I had, because I have in my mind very clear, the environment that we have at home is very clear that she will not get those negative tendencies, because I know I need to stop it at my generation and not allow it to move on to the next generation. And I have realized that a transition figure will create a new tradition where everyone is equal. You do not announce a decision in the family, you co-create it. Just because I have lived more years on planet Earth than some of you, that doesn't mean that I'm always right. मैं कहता हूं वो प्लेट में हाफ फ्राई था, आप बोलोगे हाफ फ्राई नहीं आनंद, वो एक मोतीचूर का लड्डू और दही है. तो मेरे में उतनी ओपननेस होनी चाहिए टू एक्सेप्ट दैट यस यार बात तो सही है, ये हो भी सकता है. ये एप्पल के टुकड़े हैं, फ्रेंच फ्राइज नहीं है. बट क्या हम इसको स्वीकारते हैं कि ये इंसान घास काट रहा है, किसी को मारने नहीं जा रहा, गुस्से में नहीं चला रहा गाड़ी? So those are the negative tendency, and I would also encourage you to do the third homework for the week. आपके लाइफ की नेगेटिव टेंडेंसीज क्या है? गॉसिपिंग करना किसने सिखाया? जब बच्चा छोटा सा होता है वो माँ बाप पूरे टाइम किसी और की बातें करते हैं, पूरे टाइम दे आर डिस्कसिंग सम अदर पर्सन. व्हाई कैन नॉट बी डिस्कस आइडियाज? पूरे टाइम क्रिटिसाइज 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 के एनवायरनमेंट में अगर बच्चा बड़ा हो रहा है तो बड़े होके वो क्या करेगा? एंड फॉर सम ऑफ यू, आपने देखा होगा अहमदाबाद शहर में आप होंगे, बड़ौदा में होंगे, या आप जो भी शहर में है, you will see children along with their parents in their vehicle getting out of their apartment or their building, and when they have to go somewhere they always take the wrong side to go to the main road. आपने देखा होगा बिल्डिंग में से बच्चा मम्मी पापा के साथ बाइक पर है, स्कूटर पर है, कार में है, एंड वो रॉन्ग साइड से जाता है और फिर रोड क्रॉस करके जाता है. तो भैया आप पहले से बच्चे को ये क्यों नहीं सिखा रहे हो कि सही रास्ता अपनाओ? आपने देखा है बच्चों को बाइक पे जाते हुए, कार में जाते हुए, और उसके पेरेंट्स मोबाइल पे बात कर रहे हैं, तो बच्चा क्या सीख रहा है? ये नेगेटिव टेंडेंसीज है कि रूल्स को ब्रेक करना चाहिए. and we have the opportunity to stop this transmission. That is the meaning of being proactive. And ये तब हो पाएगा जब हम हैबिट नंबर 2 को समझेंगे, which is beginning with the end in mind. What is the vision I want to have for my family? What is the culture I want to set in my family? हमारे परिवार का आईडी कार्ड क्या है? जैसे आप में से जो एम्प्लॉयज हैं, यू वुड हैव एन एम्प्लॉय आईडी कार्ड, वो आपका पहचान पत्र है. आपके पास एक आधार कार्ड होगा, आधार कार्ड आपका पहचान पत्र है. आपके पास एक इलेक्शन कार्ड होगा, वो आपका पहचान पत्र है. तो आपके फैमिली की पहचान क्या है? जैसे अगर आप अहमदाबाद में हो तो आप कभी हमारे अपार्टमेंट में आइएगा, हम सैटेलाइट में रहते हैं और मेरी बिल्डिंग का नाम सातत्य हाइट्स है. कभी आप आइए हमारे बिल्डिंग में, हमारे फैमिली के बारे में कभी भी किसी को जाके पूछ लीजिए. हमारे घर में आज तक सीरियल नहीं चली है, हमारे घर में पिक्चर नहीं चलती है, हमारे घर में कोई जोर जोर से चिल्ला चिल्ला के बातें नहीं करता है, हमारे घर में गॉसिपिंग नहीं होती है. ये मेरे घर का परिवार का विजन स्टेटमेंट है कि हम गॉसिपिंग नहीं करेंगे, हम नेगेटिव बातें नहीं करेंगे. आपके परिवार का विजन स्टेटमेंट क्या है? And even before I move there, some of you may be thinking, before I take all these questions to you, this is my family mission statement. And आप मेरे घर में आओगे तो सबसे पहले ये आपको एक बड़ा सा पोस्टर में आपको ये देखने को मिलेगा. Can anyone read and explain this? And मैं आपको चैलेंज करता हूं, अगर मैं आपके घर पे आऊं तो क्या आपको आपके घर का मिशन स्टेटमेंट मुझे देखने को मिलेगा? अगर मैं आपके बच्चों से, आपके परिवार के अलग सभ्यों से पूछूं कि आपके परिवार का विजन स्टेटमेंट क्या है, आपके परिवार का मिशन स्टेटमेंट क्या है, डू दे इवन नो व्हाट इज अ विजन एंड अ मिशन स्टेटमेंट? कैन एनीवन एक्सप्लेन दिस?
Hello, Abby, should I?
Yes, absolutely.
Yes. To create a nurturing place of family, just a minute. Yeah, a place of faith, order, truth, love, happiness, and relaxation, providing opportunity to every person to become responsibly independent and effectively interdependent in order to serve God and worthy purpose in society through living the gospel.
Thank you, Elaben. Right. So
this is something I just read.
Correct.
But in short, if I have to minimize it with the least words, I would say, let us be the divine instrument.
Absolutely.
That's all.
Absolutely.
Yes. So that is my family's, or rather my personal mission statement. Fantastic. Let me be the Yes,
Absolutely. Thank you, Elaben. Thank you so much. So this is what it is. So अगर आपने परिवार में किसी को काम सौंपा है, if let's say I have been assigned a work, I will be responsibly independent to do that work. So I will have the skills to complete that work, but at the same time, I will also be effectively interdependent, knowing that मैं अकेला कुछ नहीं कर सकता. तो इसमें ईगो नहीं आता है. हमें इंटरडिपेंडेंसी के जोन में रहना है, इंडिपेंडेंसी के जोन में नहीं रहना है. एंड हम जो भी करें, वी शुड बी एबल टू लिव द वैल्यूज दैट द स्क्रिप्चर्स टेल्स अस. So live a life that the scripture is telling us to live, not live a life as per the standards of the world, but we will live a life with the standards as described in the scriptures. And मैं आपको चैलेंज करता हूँ, आप 1000 लोगों के घर पे जाइए अपने लाइफ टाइम में, एंड मुझे बताइएगा कितने लोगों के घर में फैमिली मिशन स्टेटमेंट होता है.
I don't know how many people in the world would have this kind of, I mean, this is a fantastic thing to really sit together.
And that is what we are doing. So if I am sharing something with you, my fundamental is I will only share what I do. I will not give you ज्ञान. ज्ञान गूगल पे बहुत है साहब, यूट्यूब पे बहुत ज्ञान है. So yes, in our family, we also have difference of opinions. We also have our fights. All that happens, but that does not mean the respect will never be there. So you create a place which is a nurturing place. Look at what's happening in the. I just gave you that the number of suicides. It is there. आप अभी मेरे से बात करते करते you can open one more browser and check worldometer.info. जाके check कर लीजिए. Every day about 3,000 people, and most of them are young boys and girls. Why are they committing suicide? Because they do not experience that nurturing. You are always under the lens of being judged. हर कदम पे आपको जज किया जाता है, हर मिस्टेक को मैग्नीफाई किया जाता है, तो वो इंसान कितना झेलेगा. एंड हमारे एटलीस्ट इंडिया में एजुकेशन सिस्टम में आपको रट्टा तोता बनाते हैं, और करते क्या है? इट डज नॉट मेक यू एम्प्लॉयबल. कॉन्फिडेंस कितने लोगों के पास है? नर्चर करें एक दूसरे को. मैं हर सैटरडे या संडे आप लोग के साथ अपना टाइम क्यों दे रहा हूं? ताकि मैं किसी को नर्चर कर सकूं, मेरे लाइफ से एक इंसान की लाइफ में पॉजिटिविटी में ला सकूं. तो दैट इज अ गुड लाइफ लिव्ड. And if you come to my home, you will see that we live a life of faith. We don't live a life by sight. We trust God to show us the way. And I believe one statement, I've shared this with many people many times, that if you are not willing to move your steps, don't ask God to direct your steps. Because God does not direct a stationary vehicle. And I need to move in faith. अगर आप मेरे घर में आओगे तो आपको कभी भी कोई भी चीज इधर उधर नहीं मिलेगी. इट इज एवरीथिंग स्पिक एंड स्पैन. इट इज अ प्लेस ऑफ ऑर्डर, बिकॉज वी वर्शिप अ गॉड ऑफ ऑर्डर. इट्स अ होम ऑफ ट्रूथ. And that is what I'm trying to encourage you. So that is the end in mind. So what is the end in mind that I have? So as we close for the day, let me give you some more questions, some more pointed questions, and I want you to make a note of it. So the first question, or the first statement, it's not a question. The first statement is, let us create a clear, compelling vision statement of our family. आप ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस में जाते हैं तो आप ऑर्गेनाइजेशन का विजन स्टेटमेंट होता है, बट लोगों का इंडिविजुअल एंड फैमिली मिशन या विजन स्टेटमेंट नहीं होता है. So my first input to you is, please create a family mission statement. Some questions that might help you. Please write down these questions. Number 1, हमारे परिवार का पर्पस क्या है? What is the purpose of my family? And I'll speak this slowly so that you can make notes. And आप में से किसी को अगर हेल्प चाहिए कि आप अपने फैमिली का मिशन स्टेटमेंट कैसे बनाते हैं, तो आप सबके पास मेरा नंबर है, आप मुझे फोन करना. जो भी थोड़ा बहुत मुझे आता है, आई विल बी मोर देन हैप्पी टू हेल्प. फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन मैंने आपसे कहा, व्हाट इज द पर्पस ऑफ माय फैमिली. सेकंड क्वेश्चन, व्हाट काइंड ऑफ फैमिली डू वी वांट टू बी. First question is the purpose of the family. Second question is what kind of family हमें बनना है. Third question, what kind of things do we want to do in the family. First question is purpose. Second question is what kind of family. Third question is what kind of things हम हमारे घर में, हमारे परिवार में करना चाहते हैं. Fourth question is what kind of feelings do we want to have in our family, in our home. Feeling of love or feeling of me versus you. What kind of feelings should be there in the family? Next question, what kind of relationships do we want to have within the family? Do we celebrate each other or do we tolerate each other? Next question, how do we want to treat each other? Treat each other with respect. How do we want to speak to one another? लाइक हमारे घर में हम किसी के साथ तू ता करके बात नहीं करते. मैं मेरी बेटी को भी तू करके नहीं बुलाता. आई ऑलवेज कॉल हर आप. सो हाउ डू वी वांट टू स्पीक टू वन अनदर? Next question, what are the things that are truly important to us as a family? Just to give you a recap in case you missed out on some point, the first question I said is, what is the purpose of our family? Second question, what kind of family हम बनना चाहते हैं? Third मैंने आपसे कहा, what kind of things हम परिवार में करना चाहते हैं? चौथा मैंने आपसे कहा, what kind of feelings do we want to have in our home? Next question मैंने कहा, what kind of relationships do we want to have in our family? What kind of relationship with one another? क्या हम वो रिलेशंस को सेलिब्रेट करते हैं या टॉलरेट करते हैं? नेक्स्ट मैंने आपसे कहा कि हाउ डू वी वांट टू ट्रीट वन अनदर. नेक्स्ट मैंने आपसे कहा हाउ वुड वी वांट टू स्पीक टू वन अनदर. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, व्हाट थिंग्स आर ट्रूली इंपॉर्टेंट टू अस एज अ फैमिली. स्पेंडिंग टाइम टुगेदर, पॉइंट ऑफ फेलोशिप, प्ले गेम्स टुगेदर, लूडो किंग साथ में खेलो, खाना साथ में खाओ. What is important to you as a family? नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, हमारे परिवार की हाईएस्ट प्रायोरिटी क्या है? मेरे परिवार की हाईएस्ट प्रायोरिटी इज गॉड एंड वैल्यूज एंड कल्चर एंड कैरेक्टर एंड एथिक्स एंड प्रिंसिपल्स. We are a family where the top priority is prayer. Next question. What is the goal of our family? Some more questions. हमारे परिवार में जितने भी लोग हैं, the family members, उनकी unique talents क्या हैं? What are unique giftings that people in the family have? उनकी abilities क्या है? हमारे परिवार में हम सब परिवार के जो सदस्य हैं उसमें हमारी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी क्या है? So what are our responsibilities as family members? So like if you ask my daughter कि बेटा आपकी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी क्या है परिवार में, तो she will say my responsibility is to make mama happy. If mama happy, everyone happy. And she would be saying this right from the time she learned how to speak. तो हमारे फैमिली में हमारे फैमिली मेंबर्स की हर फैमिली मेंबर की रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी क्या है? नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. कौन से प्रिंसिपल्स एंड गाइडलाइंस हम परिवार में फॉलो करना चाहते हैं? हमारे परिवार की हीरो कौन है? हमारे रोल मॉडल कौन है? वो हमारे रोल मॉडल क्यों हैं? उनकी कौन सी क्वालिटी है जो हम एडमायर करते हैं? उनकी कौन सी क्वालिटीज है जो हम कॉपी करना चाहते हैं, एम्यूलेट करना चाहते हैं?
This has to be from the family or maybe little extended.
Yeah, anyone outside.
Okay.
Like one of our heroes is Nelson Mandela of the family. What is that quality that inspires us as a family? That the spirit of forgiveness that he had, the attitude of forgiveness that he had is amazing. And he used to say this beautiful statement that forgiveness liberates the soul.
Wow.
Liberates the soul, does not uses the word frees the soul. Freedom and liberation में फर्क होता है. Freedom is outside in, liberation is inside out. Next question. Which are the families that inspire us? Like I get inspired by the Ambani family. I'm one of those few privileged people who get to go into the Ambani family's residence. आज भी अगर कोकिला बहन घर पे आती है तो मुकेश भाई will come down to receive his mother. उस परिवार में आज भी, and I'm talking about the richest family in the world. उनके घर में जो पार्टीज होती हैं, दुनिया के टॉप लोग आते हैं, टॉप पीपल आते हैं, टॉप पॉलिटिशियंस आते हैं, टॉप लीडर्स आते हैं, बट आज भी उनके घर में कोई भी पार्टी में अल्कोहल सर्व नहीं होता है. उनके घर में कोई भी सिगरेट नहीं पीता है. उनके घर में कोई भी गाली नहीं बकता है. और यहाँ पर हमारे इसी कॉल में लोग होंगे जो थोड़ा सा हो गया आ गया चलो पीने जाते हैं. So what are the families that you look up to? Which are those families जो आपको as a परिवार inspire करती है? And last point is, as a family, how can I contribute to the society? and help the society become a better society. I may die tonight, but one of my goals is I want to make this world a better world because I lived here. And all these sessions that I keep on doing, the family is very supportive of all that I'm doing. Otherwise, so what I do, I'm just becoming the front face, but all this is what we would want to contribute to the society. Yeah, so as we close, it is 12:30, so we start on time and we end on time. These are few questions that I gave you, and एक चीज याद रखिएगा, इसको आप एक हफ्ते में नहीं कर सकते. ये क्वेश्चंस का आंसर मे बी 1 साल लग जाएगा, मे बी 5 साल लग जाएगा, मे बी एक लाइफ टाइम लग जाता है. बट इसको अपने ज़हन में रखिए, इसको अपने फोकस पे रखिए. दिस इज व्हाट वी वांट टू अचीव. Begin with the end in mind, and you will as a family arrive at a mission statement जो मैंने आपके सामने शेयर किया हुआ है, जो अभी स्क्रीन पर आपके पास है. Okay, so make sense? So as I say thank you to you, let me stop sharing. What questions you have for me? Am I still audible?
Yes, yes.
Hi, Abhi, thank you so much for
Okay,
the session,
Kapilji,
for
thank
your
you.
time and efforts. I was wondering if you can recommend some
I can't
resource.
see myself. I don't know. Why can't I see myself? Anyways, right? So now I can see some chat boxes.
Can you hear me, Abhi? Hello?
So thank you for those kind words. I'm just looking out for some questions. Yeah, it's a process, Prakriti. It's a process. It takes time. It does not happen in a jiffy. We'll have to work towards it. Thank you, Ila madam, for those kind words. And someone else is presenting AB. Okay, so there are some people who want me to improve my Google Meets skills. Okay. So that is it from my side. If you don't have any questions, Patel sir, thank you for